Which capital city is the most elevated? Got it? Great! But don't leave yet. 9 harder questions are coming. But before we dive deep, let's see if you guessed right in the first quiz. In the first quiz, we asked, which capital city is the most elevated? The answer is La Paz. Do you know why? Bolivia's La Paz is the highest administrative capital on Earth, sitting at a staggering 3,640 meters, or nearly 12,000 feet, above sea level. Perched in the dramatic Andes Mountains, the air here is so thin that visitors frequently get breathless just walking, and water actually boils at just 87 degrees Celsius instead of 100. Note that Bolivia technically has 2 capitals. Sucre is the constitutional capital, while La Paz is the administrative capital or seat of government. Second quiz, which river crosses the equator 2 times? What's your guess? Third quiz, which country has the most pyramid structures? Fourth quiz, which sea has no physical land borders? How are you doing? Comment below your answers. The 7th and 10th quiz answers are jaw-dropping, so don't skip. Watch the video till the end. 5th quiz, what country has the lowest maximum elevation? Comment A, B, C, or D. 6th quiz, what is the largest enclosed sea body? 7th quiz, which country has the highest population density? Here are the final 3 questions. Let's see how you do before we reveal the answers. 8th quiz, which city is the northernmost on Earth? What's your guess? 9th quiz, what is the narrowest country in South America? 10th and last quiz, what mountain range is expanding every year? Now the answer time. Before we proceed, please hit the subscribe button. In the second quiz, we asked, which river crosses the equator 2 times? The answer is Congo River. But do you know how? The Congo River is the only major river on Earth to cross the equator twice. Thanks to its massive horseshoe-shaped curve through Africa, it rises in the highlands of northeast Zambia or southern DRC, flows north across the equator, loops through the rainforest, and then heads back south, crossing it a second time before emptying into the Atlantic. In the third quiz, we asked, which country has the most pyramid structures? The answer is Sudan. Believe it or not, Sudan is the absolute pyramid capital of the world. It boasts around 255 of these ancient structures, nearly double the number found in Egypt. Built by the powerful ancient kingdom of Kush between 800 BC and 300 AD, these Nubian pyramids are much smaller and steeper than their famous Egyptian neighbors. In the fourth quiz, we asked, which sea has no physical land borders? The answer is Sargasso Sea. The Sargasso Sea is the only sea on Earth with absolutely no land borders. Instead of shores, it's entirely bounded by 4 massive ocean currents: Gulf Stream, North Atlantic Current, Canary Current, and North Atlantic Equatorial Current, that form a clockwise rotating ring of water called the North Atlantic Gyre. This creates a unique, warm body of water completely surrounded by cooler, moving ocean. How are you doing? Comment your score below. In the 5th quiz, we asked, what country has the lowest maximum elevation? The answer is Maldives. That's right! The Maldives is officially the flattest and lowest country on the planet. Its highest natural point sits at a mind-blowing 2.4 meters, or just under 8 feet above sea level. More than 80% of the country's 1,200 islands are less than 1 meter above sea level. In fact, the entire nation averages an elevation of only 1.5 meters, making it incredibly vulnerable to rising sea levels. In the 6th quiz, we asked, what is the largest enclosed sea body? The answer is Caspian Sea. The Caspian Sea is the world's largest enclosed inland body of water. It's so massive that it's classified as both a lake and a sea. The Caspian Sea covers an immense surface area of roughly 371,000 square kilometers, making it larger than the entire country of Germany. It holds over 40% of all lake water on Earth. But because its water is salty and its basin is oceanic, it's legally and geographically considered a sea. In the 7th quiz, we asked, which country has the highest population density? The answer is Monaco. Did you know? Monaco is the most densely populated independent country in the world. Squeezed into a tiny strip of land on the French Riviera, It spans just over 2 square kilometers, yet packs in around 38,000 residents, meaning roughly 19,000 people share every single square kilometer. Also note that Monaco is the second smallest independent state in the world behind Vatican City. What's your score so far? Let us know. In the 8th quiz, we asked, which city is the northernmost on Earth? The answer is Longyearbyen. Longyearbyen, located on Norway's Svalbard archipelago, is the world's northernmost permanent settlement with a population over 1,000. Life here is so extreme that it's actually illegal to die there. In 1950, town authorities banned burials at the local cemetery after discovering that bodies buried decades prior were not decomposing due to the permafrost. If someone is terminally ill or nearing death, they are flown to mainland Norway. In the 9th quiz, we asked, what is the narrowest country in South America? The answer is Chile. Do you know why? Chile is famous for being the ultimate ribbon-shaped nation. Stretching over 4,200 kilometers along South America's west coast, its average width is just 177 kilometers. It's so narrow that you can practically drive from the towering Andes Mountains to the Pacific Ocean in under 2 hours. This unique geography was defined by nature and history. The massive Andes Mountains form a natural, impenetrable eastern border with Argentina and Bolivia, trapping the country into a narrow strip of land right against the Pacific Ocean. In the 10th and last quiz, we asked, what mountain range is expanding every year? The answer is Himalayas. But do you know how? The Himalayas are growing taller every single year. This is a classic textbook example of a continent-to-continent collision. Roughly 50 million years ago, the Indian tectonic plate crashed into the Eurasian plate, and that massive collision is still happening today. The Indian plate is moving northward, colliding into the Eurasian plate at a rate of about 4 to 5 centimeters per year. With nowhere else to go, the land is forced upward, raising peaks like Mount Everest by about 5 millimeters annually. How many did you get right? Tell us in the comments. If you scored 8 out of 10 or more, you're officially a quiz master. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.